Today I am going to teach for 4th class EVS. The name of the lesson is Going to School. So children in our country, they reach school in different ways. So what are the ways? Now we are going to explain. Now one is bamboo bridge, trolley, cement bridge, vallum, camel cart, bullock cart, bicycle ride, jugaad, crossing the jungle, moving on the snow, rocky pass. Now let us discuss first one, bamboo bridge. Now in Assam, if you take in Assam, it rains heavily and water is there up to knee during rainy season. So even then children, they will not stop going to school. They use bamboo bridge to reach school. And you see this bamboo bridge is they hold the books in one hand and bamboo other hand, and they cross the bridge. They cross the bridge made of bamboo and rope to reach school. So it is really great thing. Next we are talking about trolley. Trolley in Ladakh. In Ladakh, children use trolley to cross the river. The river is very wide and deep, so they use strong rope across the river. On both sides, that rope is tied strongly with trees or rocks. A trolley is nothing but a box made of wood attached with rope. 4 or 5 children can sit in a trolley. There you see in the picture, a pulley is there which helps the trolley to move across the rope and reach the other side of the river. Next, there are cement bridges for the children to cross from one side of river or lake to the other side. So this cement bridge, not only children but also other people. So here cement bridge is made up of cement, bricks and iron rod. You see the picture, it is made up of cement, bricks and iron rods, and there are steps on on the bridge on both sides for the children to come down and for going up. And many times you have to cross these water bodies like a river or lakes or other places, etc. Velam is a small wooden boat used in Kerala by the children to reach school. Here the children use that small wooden boat, Velam, to cross one side of the river to other side and to reach school. You see the slide how the children are reaching the other side of the river and they will reach school in that way. Very useful. Next we are coming to camel cart. Now camel cart, if you see camel cart, that is camel, this Rajasthan, if you see, there are many desert areas and there is only sand around that area and very hot. In desert areas is very hot. Children in Rajasthan, they use camel cart to reach school. So you see the picture, you can understand how the children are sitting in the camel cart to reach the school. Now I am telling about bullock cart. How the children in villages, particularly in plain areas, reach different places, schools, through bullock cart and passing through green fields. You see the picture, children how they are coming through green fields and reaching to other places, school. And even if it is very sunny, if it is very hot, or if the rain is there, they use umbrellas while moving in the bullock cart and reaching school. By now, bicycle ride. How the children are coming to the school through a bicycle. Children, they are riding the bicycle on the long road to reach school. In the beginning, children, girls particularly, they never used to come to school because the school is very far to come by bicycle. But now the girls are coming to school in a group of 7 to 8 on difficult roads, and they are reaching school. Really, it is a great thing in our country. Next, I am talking about Jugaad. The Jugaad is a vehicle which is used in Gujarat by the children to reach school. You see the picture how this Jugaad, the vehicle is made. It looks like a motorcycle, and back is made of planks of wood. Back is a carriage made of planks of wood, you see. And you see it makes fut fut sound, and children enjoy that sound, and they reach the school happily. Now I am going to explain how the children are reaching the school by crossing the jungle. So here you see the picture in the slide that in the jungle there is no sunlight also. Sunlight is not passing through it properly, and many trees are there. It is very silent, and we can hear the sounds of birds and creatures, but even then children are reaching the school through those forests in some of the places in our country. Moving on the snow. Now how the children are reaching the school moving on the snow. Particularly in northern hills of our country, children are going through miles of snow to reach the school. You see the picture in that the children are holding hands with each other carefully and walking very carefully. And if the snow is soft, their feet may sink into it. And when the snow is frozen, means becomes solid, then they may slip and fall. So that is why they are walking very slowly and carefully and reaching the school. Now I am talking about rocky paths. Rocky means stones are there. In Uttaranchal, if you see that there are so many mountains and rocks, and roads are uneven, and paths are uneven and rocky, complete of stones, but we can easily race up and down. But children are coming, you see in the slide, in the picture, they are coming nicely, moving up and down. But the children who are living in the plains face a lot of problems to walk on those paths. I have given some questions. You write the questions and answer in your paper, in your notebook. So, but you choose the correct word and fill the bamboo bridge is made up of dash and dash. Trolley is used to cross the river, which is dash and dash. Dash and dash people can sit in a trolley. Cement bridges are made up of dash and dash. Vellum is made up of dash. In desert, we use dash to move from one place to another. A bullock cart has no dash. Bicycles can be used to cover long distances on dash. The front of Jugaad is dash, but the back is made out of dash. Paths in the mountains are dash and dash. You use the words which are given on the back set slide to fill those blanks and do it correctly. Here the answers are given. Please check. Now I am giving some questions on true false. You read carefully and write T for true and false for F. Now first one is 50 people can sit in a trolley. Is it true or false? You have to write it. Some bridges have steps. Camel can move easily on sand. It is very easy to walk on snow. On the mountains, paths are even. In thick forests, sounds of birds can be heard. It is easy to walk on smooth surface. Children living in plains find it difficult to walk on mountains. Please check your answers for the true false. Here the questions are given. You have to do matching. That is, type of bridge was given on the left side. Material used is given on the right side. You have to do matching. First one is trolley bridge, bamboo bridge, cement bridge, iron bridge. Right side materials are given. Bricks, iron rods and cement, wood and iron rope, iron and bamboo bridge. Now here pictures are given. We have to see and identify which state those transports are used and write the name of the state by seeing the pictures. Write the name of the state here also. So pulley, what is use of pulley? Pulley used to lift the things. Here a boy is lifting water. One boy is lifting water through a rope, but one boy using pulley. You see the picture how he is lifting. Which is easier? You have to put a tick. Which is easier to lift the water using a pulley or without pulley? Put a tick. Here I made some questions. I am reading questions. You read, answer also, and write in your notebook without saying. First question is, what is trolley? And write answer in your notebook. Next question, what is vellum? Third question, what is jugaad? Fourth question, why do we need bridges? Fifth question, what kind of paths do the mountains have? Sixth question, what is use of a pulley? Seventh question, why is it difficult to walk on snow? So all of you complete the homework and read and write in notebook properly. Wish you all the best. Thank you.